Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on January 25th. Birth of Robert Burns 1759. On January 25, 1759, Robert Burns was born in Scotland, a moment that would later shape the world of literature. He grew up to become one of the most famous and beloved poets of all time. Burns wrote poems that focused on love, nature, and the lives of ordinary people. His language was simple, but his emotions were deep and powerful. Because of his influence, he is often called the national poet of Scotland. Even today, his birthday is celebrated as Burns' Night with music, food, and poetry. São Paulo City was founded 1554. On January 25, 1554, the city of São Paulo was founded in Brazil as a small missionary settlement. Jesuit priests established the town to spread Christianity among local people. At first, it was just a quiet and modest community. Over many years, the settlement slowly expanded and developed. Trade, migration, and industry helped it grow rapidly. Today, São Paulo is one of the largest and most important cities in the world. Nellie completed her world tour 1890. On January 25, 1890, journalist Nellie completed her famous journey around the world. She managed to travel across the globe in just 72 days, which was a remarkable achievement at the time. Her trip was inspired by a fictional story written by Jules Verne. Many people doubted her ability because she was a woman traveling alone. Nellie proved everyone wrong with her courage and determination. Her success made her internationally famous. First transcontinental phone call, 1915. On January 25, 1915, the first transcontinental telephone call was successfully made. The historic call connected New York City with San Francisco. Alexander Graham Bell, the inventor of the telephone, took part in this event. It showed how much communication technology had advanced in a short time. People were amazed that voices could travel such long distances. This moment changed communication forever and brought the world closer together. First Winter Olympics opened 1924. On January 25, 1924, the first Winter Olympic Games officially opened in Chamonix, France. Athletes from 16 different countries gathered to compete. The Games featured winter sports such as skiing and ice hockey. This was the first time winter sports had their own global event. The Olympics were well organized and widely appreciated. They marked the beginning of a tradition that continues to unite athletes today. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.